Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to program a Toyota RAV4 key remote. First, gather all your existing key remotes, including any new ones you wish to program. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. This guide covers a common programming method that applies to many RAV4 models, helping you get your new remote working quickly and efficiently. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert your key into the ignition and then remove it 2 times within 5 seconds. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times. After that, insert the key back into the ignition and leave it there. This sequence helps the vehicle recognize that you are initiating the programming procedure. It's crucial to perform these steps accurately and within the specified timeframes for success. Now, with the key in the ignition, turn the ignition to the on position and then immediately back to off 1 time. The door locks should cycle, indicating the vehicle is in programming mode. Take your new remote and simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons. After about 1 to 2 seconds, release both buttons. The door locks should cycle again, confirming the remote has been successfully programmed. Repeat for additional remotes. After programming, it's essential to test each remote to ensure it functions correctly. Press the lock and unlock buttons on every remote you've programmed to confirm they operate the vehicle's doors as expected. If any remote isn't working, you might need to repeat the programming steps carefully. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.